meron, pero pwedeng wala.
Thank you so much to our
Pwede ako pumasok.
queens. Wow! Ang galing! Oh my God! Wow, that was amazing! Did you guys enjoy that? Yes, we did. And ibang classic level talaga. Building up to our very important guests later. I really love how they did that dance. Kaya ko lang din tumambling. I will do it now. Count 1 to 3. I will do the tumbling.
Yes, no. Everything's so
Joke lang. Ano ba? I'm not prepared. Hello again. Let's hear it one more time for the queens. Woo! I am ready. Our next dance coming up. The French bird. Steam up the ready to get on fire again. Let's hear it for